Hello, this is Taylor with TenantCloud, and in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a rent increase and decrease in your TenantCloud account. First, it is important to know that a rent increase or decrease is different from a lease renewal. When you are doing a rent increase or decrease, you are only changing the rent amount. When you are doing a lease renewal, you are renewing the entire lease rather than just changing the rent amount. Typically, if you are using the rental increase tool, but not the renewal feature, then that means you already have the rental increase-decrease information included in the verbiage of your actual lease contract with your tenant. Now that we know the difference between a rental increase or decrease and a renewal, if you wish to create a rent increase or decrease, simply click on the contacts card from the left side menu. Next, click Leases on the desired tenant. From here, click the three dots menu next to the active lease that you wish to increase or decrease and select Rent Increase Decrease from the drop-down menu. From the pop-up window, select whether you are doing a rent increase or decrease. Select the method of the increase or decrease. If you picked a fixed amount, enter the dollar amount of the increase or decrease. The amount you enter will increase or decrease the current rent amount by the amount that you enter and will display the new rental amount in the field to the right. If you selected percentage, enter the percentage now. Next, select the start date for the new rent amount. Please note that the rent amount will not change until the date that you selected here. Next, you can select if you want an automatic reminder sent to yourself. Finally, click the options below if you wish to notify the tenant about the increase or decrease. Once you've completed this, click Confirm Rent Increase. The rent change will appear right on the lease summary page and the amount of the change and date the change will take into effect. You can edit or cancel the increase or decrease by pressing the settings gear within the change. And that's how easy it is to create a rent increase or decrease within TenantCloud. To start managing your rental properties for free with simplicity and ease, just go to www.tenantcloud.com or click the link below in the description and sign up today.